Hi, my name is Gabriel, and in this course, you're going to learn how to create your first app using ARKit. So, what are we going to create? Now, this is the basketball app we're going to create, and it's pretty cool. Once we click on the Add Hoop button, the basketball hoop is added to the scene. We're then able to shoot basketballs at the hoop. And if we want to apply actions to the basketball hoop, we're able to select one of the two buttons on the side. The button to the right will apply a rotation action which will rotate the backboard, and the button to the left will move the backboard left to right. Okay? And just to let you know, everything you see here, including the actions and custom buttons, are created by us. Okay? So if you're ready to dive in and create your first app using ARKit, then what are you waiting for? Enroll in this course today.